Little job for the AP boys today. Take down out front, and that's the plug. And then we've got D&G, bit of D&G on this Lawson. Quite a bit in the garden. That, don't know what that wasn't us, neither was that. Neither was that. That. And the gate's open and we've got to do a bit of limboing. Oh, yeah, chipper right there. What do you know? Just doing some coffee, so I'm going to spikes on. There's a pond under this sheet of ply, so there's a troll that lives under that. Today you almost caught Captain Tag Sparrow. Oh, lovely, thank you. Didn't realise you were there.
Good on you.
Lovely, thank you very much. See.
How can you say I look like Peach? I should have had that one, like I got my date of birth on it. He's got his kiddie cup.
Yeah.
Smarties. Finch, try your first filling. That fire counter next to it's going to flop once that comes out. It's sort of
it's tied in it, isn't it?
And there's another little cherry next to it. I'll just tangle it into that.
Colombian double espresso, hey. With Pablo. Buttercup beans, just to let me know. Okay. Be having it. Yes, be having it. Oh, this camera mount needs to get in the bin. To be coming down ticking fast, Jake, ticking fast. Literally a 40-minute takedown from the tip of the wrist. Señoras y señores, actually case extravaganza, take it down the street. Everybody was coming for fighting. It just hits everything. Like, it's literally just in my way 24/7. I need a chest mount. It's got loads as well. What are you recording? After using a bandit, these teeth are tiny. I'll come in from this side. What's that?
What's he looking for? Teeth.
Yeah.
They're on the other side in the
With
box.
a chainsaw,
in the box.
whatever.
Yeah, definitely there. I see him. I'm having a guess. It's them ones.
Yeah, baby. Cheers. Oh yeah, don't know why we didn't bring a wheelbarrow. It was the most stupid thing, wasn't it?
Not that bad. Everything else go on?
Yeah, mate. Do you want to get that shovel and do a bit of the old shoveling? Just throwing up as well. Okay. Sorry, Bush. I should have bought barrow. Never mind. All aboard.
What's that?
All aboard.
Oh.
Yeah, I have boots. Oh my. GoPro.